Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 7, and its title is The Tulip Festival. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 6, under the title of Reading Skills, we will learn about how we can read the text. Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already you have learned about reading skills and about the numbers, that how we can count them. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about it. Read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading materials such as food labels, advertisements, coins and currency notes, etc. So my dear students, our today's focus will be on coins and currency notes. So this will be our SLO for addressing today. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah At-Tawbah, verse number 34, and those who hoard gold and silver and spend it not in the way of Allah, give them tidings of a painful punishment. So my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that who have a lot of money, who have gold, silver, such type of things, and they are collecting them just, but not spending in the way of Allah, not spending to help the poor and needy person. So Allah Almighty is warning them that there is a painful punishment for them. Suppose if Allah Almighty has given us something in a variety of things, so definitely we have to distribute it in needy and poor people also. So this beautiful verse is warning us that if you have something extra from your needs, so you have to divide it into needy person. Okay. So my dear students, what are the currency notes? Which highest value currency note you know? My dear students, this is a brainstorming activity for you, brainstorming question for you. Already you are using currency notes, coins at your home also, for school also. So which is the highest currency note do you know? So pause the video and respond it to your teacher. Welcome back, my dear students. Good job. I hope you have informed to your teacher, because daily routine, on daily basis we are also using different currency notes. So okay, let's see. Okay, can you see them? Can you recognize them, my dear students? Have you seen these notes? So okay, let's see one by one now. Yes, can you see that? This is 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. You can see there on the back side of that rupee there is written in word. Okay, 10 rupees. This is a currency note of 10 rupees. And the next one, okay, which is this note? Good, yes, this is 20 rupees. Is it clear, my dear students? In numbers also there is written, you can see 2020, in Urdu also there is written, and on the back side of that rupee in English also there is written that these are 20 rupees. Okay. The next one, yes, which is this note? Good, yes, this is 50 rupees note. Okay, you can see that how you can judge. In Urdu also there is also in digits 5050, and in Urdu also you can read, and in English on the back side you can also get that this is 50 rupees. The next one, yes, which is this rupee? Yes, this is 100 rupees. Okay. This is also symbol, and there is also in digits. You can see that this is 100 rupee, and in Urdu also you can read here. Is it clear, my dear students? All these rupees, all these currency notes already you are watching, you are seeing, observing every day in your daily routine life. Okay. Next is, which is this? Yes, you're right. This is 500. 500. 500, and here is in Urdu it is written, and on the back side of this rupee you can find it into English, 500 rupees. Have you got that? This is which currency note this is? This is 500 currency note. The next one, yes, now we are moving. Yes, now it is 1000 rupee note. Getting, my dear students? Good. Same like that on the back side you can find into words. Wow, look, the last one is 5000 currency note. Okay, you can see there in there like 5 and next digits like thousands. Here you can find in English also 5000 rupees. In Urdu also you can see there. Have you got that? How you can recognize different currency note? Yes, in this way you can find different currency notes. Okay, and next is, yes, can you identify these coins? Yes, some notes are rupee are in coins shape like that. This is one coin single and this is the front back. Okay, two coins in this way, same like that, 5 coins. Okay, have you got that? These are the shapes of coins that we can see in 1 coin, 2 coin and 5 coin. Okay, these are the shapes. And the next one is, now we are moving toward an activity, so be ready. Have you seen different stamps? Yes, different examples of old stamps in Pakistan. My dear students, these are the old stamps that we had used in the beginning. Okay, these are very old stamps. You can see there also, you can find that here is also, okay, there is a moon and a star. There is written like Pakistan, you can find there, here also. Okay, so these are the symbol of old Pakistani stamps that we usually used on our documents. So what is guideline for you, my dear teacher? You have to tell to students to collect stamps for different personalities and paste it on the chart. You have to collect, my dear teacher, you have to give tasks to your students that they will collect different stamps to prepare a chart for different personalities. Okay, so here is a project for you. You will collect different stamps and paste them on a chart. Present your work in class. Tell the class about each stamp. So my dear teacher, you have to get to students toward this project that they will collect different stamps and they will paste on a chart and they will present their work in classroom. So what you have to do now? Your next is in question number 8, you are at a supermarket and the shopkeeper tells you what each thing costs and circle the correct note for each pair or price of the food item. Like lemons are as 50. So you have to identify which is the 50 currency note and you have to encircle that note. Okay. And in question number 9, you have to look and read the information of the given stamps. On question number 9, also there are stamps are given and you have to read the information on it. So my dear teacher, pause the video and perform this activity individually in your class. Welcome back, my dear students. I hope now you are able to recognize the different rupee notes. Good job. So what's your homework? You have to observe and write value of 5 currency notes and 3 coins. Okay, so you have to discuss and you have to write the value of 5 currency notes and 3 coins. How we can get these 3 coins and what is their value. My dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we should be able to get that how they can count the money according to the currency notes and coins. So what we have learned today? We learned to read words appearing on currency notes and coins, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope now today, due to today's lecture, you are able to identify different currency notes and coins. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture, and tomorrow with a new lecture. We will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.